Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I'm sharing pinag recipe. Before I begin today's recipe, I want to thank for the gifts I received for Noila Creations. I received 2 tablecloths, a packet of cinnamon sticks and 2 wooden spoons from a family friend who is also a subscriber of this channel from Tanzania. I thank you from the bottom of my heart for these beautiful gifts. May God bless you abundantly. I received this crockery from my aunts from Tanzania. I thank you, aunties, from the bottom of my heart for these beautiful gifts. May God bless you all abundantly. Wash 1 cup of Goan parboiled rice with water 3 times. Then drain the water. Transfer the rice onto a cloth so that the cloth can absorb the water. Transfer the rice onto a plate and sun dry it for 1 hour. I'm using half cup of chopped palm jaggery for this recipe. In a mixer jar, add 1 cup of grated coconut. Grind it without using water. Transfer the ground coconut into a bowl. In a pan, add the rice. Stir continuously and dry roast the rice on medium flame till the color changes. Once the color of the rice changes, switch off the flame and transfer the rice onto a plate. Let the rice cool completely. Then transfer the rice into a mixer jar and grind into powder. Sieve the rice flour. In a pan, add half cup of the chopped jaggery. Add half of 1/3 cup of water. Mix well. Stir continuously to melt the jaggery on medium flame. Once the jaggery has completely melted, add the ground coconut. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt to as per your taste and mix. Switch off the flame. Add the rice flour in two batches and mix well. Grease your palms with clarified butter. Take portions of the mixture and shape as shown in the video. Use a flat surface to roll. Now the pinag is ready. If you like my videos, then do click on the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching.